you looking for starter family homes with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms? I've got a place for you. We are at the Econ model at Northlake at Ovation in Winter Garden, Florida. The moment you enter, you'll find 2 bedrooms with a full shared bathroom. Now look at this open concept living area. This kitchen has a decent sized island that's perfect for entertainment. And now let's look at that master bedroom. One of my favorite features of this home is this huge walk-in shower with nice tile finishes. If you're looking for a new construction home in the Winter Garden area, I'm your Winter Garden specialist.